So this short video is to accompany the Unit 1 Lesson 4 for our calculus series. The unit is called Limits and Continuity, and the lesson is called Estimating Limits Using Tables. So in our lesson 1.4, one of the things I asked you to do was to use your calculators to fill in this table, the blue values, to figure out the limit as x approaches -8. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a graphing calculator to do just that in a very efficient way. So I'm going to take our equation and I'm going to put that in our calculator. So in our calculator, I've got this TI-84 software that emulates the calculator for us. I'm going to click on the top left corner, y equals, and I'm going to plug in our equation. And so when you do that, just make sure you use your brackets appropriately. And then I'm going to go second graph, and that's going to bring me to the table window. And we can notice that we have our x values. It just lists a bunch from 0, starts at 0 and goes in increments of 1. And it gives us all the y values for those inputs. Now that's great, but I want to find the limit as x approaches -8. And so what I want to do is I want to put my own x values in here. In order to do that, we're going to go to table set. So second and window. And if you've never played with the table setup before, there's 4 options you can pick here. The table start is defaults to 0, and the change in table values is default to 1. And what that means is if we look at our table, the table starts at 0 and it goes up in increments of 1. We have this independent and dependent, and they're both default to auto. So what I want to do is I want to take the independent and switch it to ask. So we go down, down, right, hit enter. Now when I go to my table, I notice I have a blank table. And from here I can start filling in values. So now I can input any value I want and it'll give me the output. Of course, from our original function, if I type in -8, I'm going to get an error because it's undefined at -8. But now I can type in all these values as x approaches -8 from the left, and any value I want really. So let's try, let's clear that out, go up and clear the -8. I don't want that anymore. We're going to type in -8.5, enter. And notice when I do negative on the calculator, I use the negative button, not the subtraction button. So our graphing calculator knows the difference. -8.1, and I can start building my own table from here, and I can find my limit. And this is going to make your life way easier if you have a graphing calculator. And so that's how that works.